QuickBooks Error 404. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1. Verify Internet connection settings. Step 1. Open a web browser in your system and see if the connection is working. Step 2. If the website is not reachable, check your internet for an issue. Step 3. If you can access other websites, open QuickBooks. Step 4. Go to the Help tab and select Internet Connection Setup. Step 5. Under the Internet Connection Settings, select Use My Computer's Internet Connection Settings option. Step 6. Now click on Next, then Done. Solution 2. Configure Windows Firewall Settings. Step 1. Click on the Search button and type Firewall. Step 2. From the result, open Windows Defender Firewall with the Advanced Security app. Step 3. Go to Advanced Settings and select Inbound Rule. Step 4. Now check if it has blocked QuickBooks, then click on New Rule. Step 5. Choose Port, then click on Next. Step 6. Make sure that TCP is selected and then select specific local ports. Step 7. In the specific local ports field, enter the TCP port number of QuickBooks, then click Next. Step 8. Next, select Allow the connection, then click Next. Step 9. Then select the next option depending on the network you're connected to, then click Next. Step 10. Name this new rule, then click on Finish. Step 11. Next, select Outbound Rule and repeat the same steps as you did with Inbound Rule. Solution 3. Clear cache and run browser in private mode. Step 1. First, open your web browser. Step 2. Click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Click on More Tools and then select Clear Browsing Data. Step 4. On the Clear Browsing Data window, select the time range in the Basic tab. Step 5. Then make sure that all the options are checked. Step 6. Next, go to the Advanced tab and select the time range. Step 7. Select the first 4 options, then click on Clear Data. Step 8. Once done, close the window. Step 9. Open the web browser again and press Ctrl+Shift+N buttons together to open incognito mode, then try to access QuickBooks. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902988 +44 800 0548 150.